Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see that how can you submit a request for changing your date of birth in your Discord server. So there is no direct way through which you can change your date of birth once you have entered it in your Discord server, and if you still want to do it, you need to go to the Discord support and submit a request over there. So for this, what you need to do is simply go to their website, that is support.discord.com/hc/n-us. If you do not want to follow this link, just Google Discord support center and this is the website that it will take you. Then go to submit a request option. Once you are in the submit a request, you will be asked that what Discord can help you with. So you need to scroll down and select this option that says contact Discord privacy, and there a bunch of options will open for you. So you can just enter your details like email address, subject, description. Then this option that says what do you need assistance with. So for this, what you need to do is you need to just select this option, rectify your personal data on Discord, and then you need to describe your issue, that this is my date of birth, this is my original date of birth, and I accidentally changed it to something else on Discord, in the description, and then click on submit. If you want, you can just add some files as well, which are totally optional. And once your request is submitted, then in a few days your request would be reviewed, and if it is a valid request, it would be accepted by the Discord support team. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.